Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is Susurrus. Let's discover what this poetic word means. Susurrus means a soft whispering, rustling, or murmuring sound. It is often used to describe the gentle sounds of nature, such as leaves, rain, or flowing water. The susurrus of the trees in the evening breeze made the forest feel calm and peaceful. This means the soft rustling of the leaves created a relaxing and soothing atmosphere. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word susurrus? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!